Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the first video in our Work Manager playlist. So let's start by understanding what Work Manager is. Work Manager is a part of Jetpack, making it official solution for scheduling and managing background tasks in Android application. It provides a consistent and reliable way to perform work even under system constraints. One of the Work Manager's key feature is its ability to guarantee task execution even if the device reboots. It automatically reschedules any pending work to ensure completion. Work Manager also allows us to specify constraints like network availability, battery level, and charging state before executing task. It also supports automatic retries and work dependency, ensuring tasks are completed in correct order. To ensure reliability, Work Manager uses an internal database to store and track tasks. This persistence allows it to resume execution even if the app is killed or the device restarts. Work Manager is designed to work efficiently within the Android background execution limits, including DOS mode and battery optimizations. This ensures tasks run at the right time without draining system resources unnecessarily. Work Manager can handle three different types of work. First being immediate work, which is for the task that needs to be executed as soon as possible. Work Manager tries to start this task right away. Long running works, which is for task that requires extended execution. These tasks typically use foregone service mode in Work Manager to ensure they continue running even when the app is in background. Deferrable work, which is meant for the tasks that do not need to run immediately but should be executed at some point in the future. These tasks are well suited for background operations such as syncing data or uploading logs. Let's discuss some of its key features. Work Manager allows specific constraints such as network availability, battery level, and device charging state before executing tasks. This ensures efficient resource uses. It provides reliable task scheduling, ensuring work persists even after device reboots or app restart, making it ideal for background operations. Expedite work enables running urgent tasks with lower latency, making it useful for critical background operations like sending logs or syncing data quickly. Work managers support chaining multiple work requests, enabling sequential executions where one task depends on the successful completion of another. Tasks can be automatically retried based on defined policy, ensuring fault tolerance and resilience in case of failures. While Work Manager is a powerful tool for persistent background tasks, it is not the right choice for every scenario. Let's go over some cases where you should consider alternative solution instead. Work Manager is designed for persistent work, meaning it keeps tasks alive even after app restarts. However, if you have a task that should run only while the app is open and can be safely terminated when the app closes, then Work Manager is not necessary. For example, tasks like fetching data from an API when the users open a screen or performing animation or UI related updates or simple background calculation. For these types of short-lived tasks, coroutines are the best solutions. Coroutines are lightweight and efficiently handle asynchronous operations within your app without the overhead of scheduling persistent work. Next, if your app requires precise timing such as scheduling an event at an exact time, Work Manager is not the right choice. For example, setting a reminder or alarm for a calendar event, or triggering an action at exact time of day, or running a task even when the device is in DOS mode. Work Manager is optimized for flexible scheduling, meaning it might delay execution slightly based on system conditions. Instead of precise timing, you should use Alarm Manager, which allows tasks to run at exact time regardless of system optimizations. Lastly, some task requires immediate execution and must continue running even when the user is actively using the app. Work Manager is not designed for these cases. For example, playing music in background, running a real-time location tracker, performing ongoing network operations like a live video stream. In these scenarios, you should use a foreground service instead. Foreground service runs continuously and display a notification to let users know that an important task is running in the background. If your task is time sensitive and cannot be delayed or batched by the system, then a foreground service is the better choice. So that should be it for introductory part. Thanks for watching and happy coding.